Hi friends, I am Arnav Sinha from Creative Arnav YouTube channel. So today we shall see what's inside the smartphone. This. So in latest phones which are coming in market now, we cannot open the back cover. But in old phones we could open the back cover. First of all, I would like to tell that this phone doesn't work. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, see, it is not working. So first, please don't open your working phones at home. So let's start the video. First we should open the back cover. See, remove batteries, SIM cards, set. Yes, okay. So in this phone I have already opened the screws. I have kept the screws here. Its screws are very tiny. You can see these are its screw. So I have kept it separately. I have used this screwdriver to open this. Okay, focus. Okay. So first I have opened all the screws, and from now let's start to open it from here. So we will need a screw. We are taking this. So let's open this, keep it aside. I don't know how professional opens it, but I'm just opening as I know. One side is opened. Move to the side. Okay, it's now open. This is the cover. As you can see here, this is the camera. The camera is here. It's the camera. And here, I don't know what is this, but I think here it is written GSM here. It is written. It is a sticker like thing. As you can see. And at the opposite side here is a copper plate. I think it is GPS module or something like that, because it is, no, I think it is something related to signal. Here it is written GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and something what WTT, I don't know. And here we go. See, this is the PCB board. First of all, I will tell only the component that I know. These are the SIM reader, card reader here. This one. This is the battery space. Here it is the camera. It's the camera wires, and it is just like a Raspberry. Have you heard Raspberry Pi? I don't know. It is in that also a camera comes for Raspberry Pi. It's just like that only. The headphone jack. This is, first I thought it is speaker, but it is not speaker. Speaker is this. This is a vibrating motor. You know, when phone vibrates, this works for that. This wire connection is for, wait, focus. This wire connection is for this front side speaker. And here I think, I am not sure, this these wires are for display, I think. And here we have got the buttons. See, these more buttons come out. Here also it is button. It can be removed by pulling it upward. It's very easy. And here the PCB design. Okay, so let's remove the PCB also. First of all, for removing the PCB, we don't just have to pull out this. First, we have to disconnect this cable, this display one, this camera one, and camera one, and this speaker one. Okay. So first of all, to remove, I don't know in other phones how it is removed, but this is a Lenovo. I don't remember the model number. See, first of all, there is a small plastic bracket type thing. Lock. Pull it upward. See, here's a plastic like thing. It is a lock actually. It is a lock. You unlock that. Afterwards, gently pull this thing off. The cable, it is done. Next, for this camera, gently pull it off by this. So it just like jumper wires, some micro. Okay, now for this we have to be careful, because you have to just pull this thing off. Yes, it is also been pulled off. Now just take off the PCB one by one. See, here is this is the volume buttons. It is here placed by some glue or whatever. So remove this. And here also remove this thing. It has been removed. Be very gentle, don't apply any force, because these things are very delicate. Okay, now see, this is speaker. Here it will generate a little bit of problem, because it cannot be, it is here stucking here and here. So we have to bend it like this. Be very careful. Okay. Yes, it is coming out. Yes, it has been come out. This is the PCB. And this is the display. I have tried, but I cannot pull off the display. I don't know how it comes out. See, this is the camera. This is the camera port. This is the And this is the speaker, this one, and this thing is for this port which we have pulled out from here upward. See here, so this port is that one. Excuse me. And this is actually for this speaker. And as you can see, here are two more things in these things, this and this. So I think that these are related to battery, because here also you can see these. So I think if the charger is put in here, then the power comes here, and from here it goes to here and here and so on. And this is the display one. This is the display one. Okay, now this is the vibrator. When phones come or messages, it vibrates. So I thought it would look like a motor, but it isn't. So let's check it how it works. For this, I'm using these things. This is Arduino. I will soon upload some videos on this Arduino and in future. So for power supply we are using Arduino and a mobile phone. First of all, let's power the Arduino. Let's power the Arduino. Okay, OTG is on. Here Arduino is on. Now here, see, positive to positive. This one is negative blue, and this is positive. So let's touch. See, it's moving. Okay. It's vibrating. I don't know whether we are able to hear the voice or not. Its movement is very fast, so it is looking that it is still. Are you able to hear its voice? I don't know. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so this is that motor, speakers, and for now this only. And in next video I will try to make some tutorials on Arduino. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks.